Hey there folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to dive into a world where horsepower reigns supreme and trees tremble before the mighty machines we're about to explore. Imagine a place where the roar of engines and the hum of hydraulics fill the air, a place where nature meets technology in the most dramatic way possible. That's right, we're talking extreme timber processing. This isn't your everyday logging operation. We're diving into the cutting-edge technology that transforms towering trees into neatly stacked logs with astonishing speed and precision. Forget your grandpa's axe and hand crank saw. Those tools, while iconic, are relics of a bygone era. Today we're looking at machines that make those old tools seem like toys. We're talking about behemoths of steel and hydraulics, machines that can devour entire forests in a day. These giants are designed to handle the toughest jobs, turning dense forests into manageable timber with incredible efficiency, and spit out perfectly sized logs or firewood faster than you can say timber. Imagine a machine that can take a massive tree and in a matter of seconds, transform it into perfectly cut pieces ready for use. From monstrous log splitters that could crack walnuts the size of cars, these machines are built to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. They are the unsung heroes of the timber industry, working tirelessly to keep up with the demands of modern construction and manufacturing. To harvesters that resemble transformers in a timber war, these machines are not only powerful but also incredibly sophisticated. They are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to operate with precision and efficiency, minimizing waste and maximizing output. Get ready to have your mind blown by the sheer power and efficiency of these incredible machines. Each one is a marvel of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest challenges and deliver outstanding results. We'll delve into the heart of these mechanical marvels, exploring their capabilities, advantages, and the intricate details that make them so effective. From the powerful engines that drive them to the precision controls that guide their every move and the impact they have on the logging and firewood industries, these machines are revolutionizing the way we process timber, making it faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. We'll look at how they are changing the landscape of the industry and what the future holds for timber technology. So buckle up, grab your hard hat, and get ready to witness the future of timber processing. This is not just a journey through a forest, it's a journey through innovation and technological advancement. And get ready for a wild ride through the exciting world of extreme timber processing. Whether you're a fan of heavy machinery, a lover of nature, or just someone who appreciates the marvels of modern engineering, this adventure is sure to captivate and inspire you. So let's get started and see what these incredible machines can do. First up, let's talk about splitting logs. Splitting logs is an age-old task that has evolved significantly over the years. From the days of using simple hand tools like axes and wedges, we've come a long way. Today, we have powerful machines that make the job not only easier but also much faster and more efficient. We're not talking about kindling here, folks. Kindling is small and easy to manage, but what about those massive logs that seem impossible to split by hand? That's where these incredible machines come into play. We're talking about taking down massive tree trunks with the help of machines like the ALK O LHS 6000. This isn't your average log splitter, it's a powerhouse designed for the toughest jobs. This beast can generate up to 60 tons of splitting force. Imagine the sheer power behind that. It's like having a mechanical giant at your disposal, ready to tackle the biggest logs you can find. That's like having a herd of elephants stomping on your logs. The comparison might sound exaggerated, but it gives you an idea of the immense force these machines can exert. But it's not just about brute force. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, combining power with precision. Modern log splitters are designed for speed and efficiency. They can process logs at an astonishing rate, making them indispensable for anyone who needs to split large quantities of wood. Hydraulic systems allow for rapid cycle times, splitting log after log without breaking a sweat. These systems are the heart of modern log splitters, providing the consistent power needed to handle even the toughest wood. Many models even come with adjustable splitting wedges, letting you customize the size of your firewood with ease. This feature is particularly useful for those who need different sizes of wood for various purposes, from kindling to large logs for a fireplace. Safety is paramount, and manufacturers have incorporated features like two-handed operation and log-holding clamps to keep operators safe. These safety features ensure that the machine can be used without risking injury, making them suitable for both professional and home use. These machines are built to last with robust frames and durable components that can withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use. Whether you're a professional logger or just someone who needs to split wood for the winter, these log splitters are designed to handle the job with ease and reliability. Maintenance is also a key factor. Regular upkeep ensures that your log splitter remains in top condition, ready to tackle any job. Simple tasks like checking the hydraulic fluid, sharpening the wedges, and inspecting the frame can go a long way in extending the life of your machine. There are various types of log splitters available, each designed for specific needs. From electric and gas-powered models to manual and hydraulic ones, there's a log splitter for every requirement. Choosing the right one depends on the volume of wood you need to split and the type of logs you're dealing with. For those who need to move their log splitter around, portable models are a great option. These can be easily transported to different locations, making them ideal for use in forests or remote areas where wood needs to be processed on site. Even for home use, there are compact and efficient models that can handle the job without taking up too much space. These are perfect for homeowners who need to prepare firewood for the winter or manage fallen trees in their yard. In conclusion, log splitters have revolutionized the way we process wood. They combine power, efficiency, and safety to make the task of splitting logs easier than ever before. Whether you're a professional or a homeowner, there's a log splitter out there that can meet your needs and make your life a whole lot easier. Next, we move on to the ALK shear. This machine is a true testament to engineering ingenuity. Picture this, a giant pair of scissors, except these scissors can slice through massive logs like butter. The ALK shear is all about precision and speed. Its powerful hydraulic jaws can handle logs of varying diameters, delivering clean, precise cuts in seconds. This eliminates the need for time-consuming chainsaw work, significantly boosting productivity. What's more, the ALK shear is incredibly versatile. It can be mounted on excavators, loaders, or even stationary platforms, making it adaptable to various work environments. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces, a huge advantage in dense forests. Harvesting Titans, from forest to mill in a flash. Now let's talk about the heart of modern logging operations: harvesters. These machines are the ultimate all-in-one solution for felling, delimbing, and processing trees. One such beast is the HSM 405H harvester. Imagine a machine that can grab a tree, strip it bare, cut it to length, and stack it neatly, all in a matter of minutes. That's the power of a modern harvester. These machines are equipped with sophisticated computer systems that optimize cutting patterns and minimize waste. Operators work from climate-controlled cabs with joystick controls, ensuring precision and comfort even during long shifts. Harvesters are designed for maximum uptime with easy access to maintenance points and durable components built to withstand harsh conditions. Firewood frenzy, churning out fuel at record speed. For all you firewood enthusiasts out there, get ready to meet your new best friend, the firewood processor. These incredible machines are revolutionizing the way we produce firewood, making the process faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, there's a firewood processor out there that's perfect for you. These machines take the back-breaking work out of firewood production, turning mountains of logs into perfectly sized firewood in no time. Imagine the time and effort saved when you no longer have to manually chop and split logs. With a firewood processor, you can produce a large quantity of firewood in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. Take the Cord King M230 for example. This powerhouse of a machine is designed for heavy-duty use and can handle even the toughest logs with ease. It's built to last and can withstand the rigors of constant use, making it a favorite among professional firewood producers. This beast can handle logs up to 23 inches in diameter, splitting and cutting them into firewood at a blistering pace. The Cord King M230 is equipped with a powerful engine and a robust cutting mechanism that ensures smooth and efficient operation. It's a true workhorse that can keep up with the demands of high-volume firewood production. Many firewood processors come equipped with conveyors that automatically load logs and stack the finished product, further streamlining the process. These conveyors are designed to handle large quantities of logs and can significantly reduce the amount of manual labor required. With an automated system, you can focus on other tasks while the machine does the heavy lifting for you. But it's not just about the big boys. There are plenty of options available for those who don't need a heavy-duty machine. Smaller, more affordable firewood processors are perfect for homeowners and small-scale firewood businesses. These machines are designed to be user-friendly and easy to operate, making them accessible to anyone who needs to produce firewood on a smaller scale. Smaller, more affordable firewood processors like the Cogan 817E and Montana MD9 cater to smaller-scale operations and individual firewood needs. These machines offer a balance of power, affordability, and ease of use, making them perfect for homeowners and small-scale firewood businesses. They are compact and portable, allowing you to move them around your property as needed. These machines offer a balance of power, affordability, and ease of use, making them perfect for homeowners and small-scale firewood businesses. With a smaller firewood processor, you can still produce a significant amount of firewood without the need for a large, expensive machine. They are designed to be efficient and effective, allowing you to get the job done quickly and easily. And for the true DIY enthusiast, there's always the option of building your own firewood processor. This can be a fun and rewarding project that allows you to create a machine tailored to your specific needs. With a bit of ingenuity and some readily available parts, you can build a custom firewood processor that meets your exact requirements. With a bit of ingenuity and some readily available parts, you can create a custom machine tailored to your specific needs. Building your own firewood processor can be a cost-effective solution that allows you to produce firewood on your own terms. Plus, it's a great way to learn more about the mechanics of firewood processing and gain a deeper appreciation for the work that goes into producing this essential fuel. So whether you're looking for a high-powered machine for professional use, a smaller, more affordable option for home use, or a DIY project to tackle on the weekends, there's a firewood processor out there for you. These machines are changing the game when it comes to firewood production, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. Get ready to churn out fuel at record speed and keep your fires burning all season long. Skidding into action, moving mountains of timber. Once the trees are down and processed, it's time to get them moving. That's where skidders come in. These powerful machines are designed to navigate rough terrain, dragging or carrying heavy logs from the forest to the landing. The CAT 527 skidder is a prime example of a modern skidding machine. With its articulated frame and powerful engine, it can maneuver through dense forests and haul massive loads with ease. Advanced tire designs and optional tracks provide superior traction even in the most challenging conditions. Skidders are equipped with features like grapple arms and winches, allowing operators to collect and secure logs quickly and efficiently. Modern skidders also prioritize operator comfort and safety with features like ergonomic cabs, excellent visibility, and rollover protection systems.